Hey everyone, if Google Maps is not loading on your phone or computer, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it in 2026. Yeah, most of these fixes only take a minute or two. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening another website or app to confirm your Wi-Fi or mobile data is connected. Next, refresh the Google Maps page if you're on desktop. On mobile, close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes the app just gets stuck during loading. If it still doesn't load, clear your cache. On Chrome, open Settings, then Privacy and Security, and clear cached images and files. On Android, go to App Settings, Google Maps, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Another common fix is updating the app. Open the Play Store or App Store and check if a new Google Maps update is available. Now make sure location services are turned on. Google Maps may not work correctly if GPS or location permissions are disabled. If you're using a VPN or browser extensions, try disabling them temporarily. I mean, some extensions can block parts of Google Maps from loading properly. You can also test Google Maps in another browser or on a different device. Yeah, this helps confirm whether the issue is device-related or account-related. And if nothing works so far, restart your phone or computer. Sounds simple, but it fixes a surprising number of loading problems. So that's how to fix Google Maps not loading in 2026. One of these methods should get everything working again pretty quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide.